CJ Bailey, Waxahachie, Texas.
Jeremiah Ballard, White Wright, Texas.
It's Juan Canelo, I'm from Dallas, Texas.
It's William Jamo. I'm from Cameroon.
What's good, y'all? My name is Shaka, and I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota.
My name is Oscar Guerrero, and I'm from Arlington, Texas.
Caleb Herring, Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Davis Kerio, Nairobi, Kenya.
My name is Aiden. I'm from Dallas.
My name is Ashton Morado, and I'm from Dallas, Texas.
My name is Jabari Rayford from Arlington, Texas.
My name is Jose. I'm originally from South Texas, live in Dallas now.
Jonathan, Arlington, Texas.